Hey guys, how's it going? So let's talk about AABB. Today it sold off massively. It was some massive profit taking. And that's just the stock market for you. It's going to be volatile. Um, this is a buying opportunity. It could be, or it could go down further. I have not added onto my position. I am almost bag holding right now. I mean, I'm still profitable, but if the stock price continues to drop, I'm bag holding. At this point, there's no point of selling to taking a small amount of profit. If I was to sell, early in the morning when the stock hit around 55, like 59, 58 cents, that would have been a good time to sell. Now it's kind of like it's hard to justify selling the price. At this point, I might as well just try to look for a bottom and just keep buying and buying and buying and hope that eventually the stock price will go back up. I think the stock price will recover eventually, but right now there's a correction going on, and it's actually a healthy correction. It's a nice pullback. I don't know where the stock price will pull back to, but if it went back to 14, 15, 10 cents, I would say that is a huge buying opportunity down there. Only time will tell where the stock price will go. I also think that the stock price is also a reflection of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to go down and down and down, I think it will reflect negatively on AABB. If AABB somehow goes back to a penny, woo! Just load the boat on that. Like, imagine if it went to a penny and you bought 1 million shares or 2 million shares at a penny, and this thing goes back to 50 cents, 60 cents, you would be a millionaire, because at 50 cents at 2 million shares, you would make $1 million. And how much is 100,000? 2 million shares at 100,000 at a penny? I don't know. Like, it's not very much. 2 million times 0.01. Really? 20,000 shares at a penny is 2 million. Wow, that's like nothing. So if you put 20,000 shares at a penny and this thing goes to 50 cents, you're a millionaire. You're off $20,000. So, yeah, if this thing goes back to a penny, load the boat on it, buy 1 million shares, and hope that it goes back to 60 cents and makes you a millionaire. I don't know if it will, but always have money out just in case that happens. So, that's my opinion anyways, not financial advice. Anyways, the gold at your fingertips, AABB Gold. So right now they released a wallet on the Google and Apple Store, and they just updated us as of 10 a.m. March 22nd, 2021. There's a total of almost 7,000 downloads so far, and this is very positive. The more and more downloads, the more and more bullish. Like, imagine if this thing hit 1 million or 2 million or 10 million and has as much downloads as Coinbase. Woo! This company will make a lot of money, and the stock price will reflect it. Just saying, and also, the Bitcoin, the new cryptocurrency AABBG. What happened if it went from $5 to $1,000? Then yeah, this company could be sitting on a fortune, because crypto is worth as much as people are willing to trade it. And right now, it's still this company's still under the radar. But if it ever gets out to the public and more people are aware of it, I think the stock price, I think this company could be a golden gem in, that's my opinion. So I don't know if this thing's gonna drop down to a penny again, but if it did, load the boat on it. Just saying, my opinion only, not financial advice. They do have about I just recently emailed them regarding like how many shares they have and if they plan to list on the NASDAQ. And then I get this kind of thing, you know, Investor Brand Network, IBN. I'm protecting myself from receiving junk mail. Please click the link below to complete the verification process. You have to do this only once. I'm a little nervous about this. You represent the warrant to spam arrest and reception of any emails you desire to send to the reception is not unsolicited commercial email. The email does not primarily contain advertisement or promotion of commercial products, services, or website unless the reception expressly consented to receiving the message, either in response to a clear or conspicuous request for such consents or at the reception of own initiative. Further, you represented and warrant that your transmission of any email does not violate any local, state, or federal law governments. The transmission is unsolicited commercial email, including but not limited to CAN-SPAM Act of 2003. Basically, you know, just skipping fast forward to this. If it damages, I can, you know, damages an amount to $200,000 for each violation of this agreement. I'm not sending any spam or any email or anything. I'm just asking a simple question, and they sent me this. I don't know if I should just, you know, enter this in and accept it. A little nervous about it. If you guys want to comment down below, let me know. Maybe someone else emailed them. I'll give them a phone call. I live in Canada. I don't even have like a huge amount of invest into this company. I just wanted to do my research. But I emailed the company regarding the issue and outstanding shares. I wanted to know exactly how many shares they have. According to this, they have almost 2 billion shares. But then there's just authorized shares of 2.5 billion. It makes no sense to me. Comment down below. Let me know. I'm very confused about this. Is this a really big winner, or what is going on? I would love to hear some people's thoughts on this whole subject. But yeah. Anyways, you know. Yeah, but if we look at the company's fundamentals, it looks strong. They made $8 billion of revenue in, is it? Oh, this is not, they didn't update this yet, did they? Huh, interesting. Because, from the revenue standpoint, you know, it looks like like this hasn't been updated yet. The annual report hasn't been updated yet. But just from the looks of things, yeah, I'm curious, and I'm gonna wait for the next earnings report, which hopefully will come out soon. But this is a profitable company. They don't have any debt on the balance sheet. They have a decent amount of cash. So I mean, the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes, in my opinion. So I don't really know too much of this. Maybe this is secretly a big ass scam. I don't know. But if you guys bought in at sub penny range and bought 2 million shares, you would be laughing it up right now. You would be a millionaire. Especially if you sold it at 50 cents or 60 cents. That's $1 million. Pretty nice. Something really hard to do. You know? To make $1 million off short-term investment? Off $20,000? Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's extremely hard. Something really hard to do. It's definitely a company I will always keep my eye out on. And I will only add to my position. I was, you know, I was thinking of this as long-term investment, but kind of too late to sell, but if I sold up here and then bought back down here, woo, that would be a good swing trade. But I don't know, it could go down lower. Don't know what it would do at the end of the day. But anyways, that's all I really have to say in my video. Thanks for watching, subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.